All right, what's going on YouTube? Sandblasting a little bit today, so I thought I would take you into our booth and kind of show you what we're doing. We're doing a fun project for a local guy. He had his house burned down, and these were a few items that he had saved from the wreckage, I guess. So we're just going to sandblast and powder coat them later, but I thought I'd take you into the booth and show you what that looks like. So it's really noisy in here. I'm not even sure you're going to be able to hear me, but we've got the heart in there. Right here you can see. And it's an old toolbox, and it's hard to tell, but it's covered in rust from most likely the fire department's hose putting the fire out. So show you a little sandblasting. As you can tell, it's super hard to see well. Rust is terrible. It throws a lot of dust up in the air. But our media cuts through it pretty well, so it goes pretty quickly. So there you have it. There's just a little section we did real quick for you. Might do a video when we powder coat this. There's also a crank in there that we just did for the guy's tractor. And over here is an old Army helmet. He's actually a Vietnam vet, so we're going to powder coat this helmet a dark Army green, so that'll be kind of fun. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with our videos and see when we get these projects completed. It's just some kind of fun stuff you can do with powder coating. If you're just getting into it, I mean, the options are pretty much endless. So make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. We'd love to hear them. See you next time.